guys, how you doing? It's Vivian. Uh, it's Friday night, March something. I've lost track. I've been in a house, except sleeping. I'm in the house with my friend, and we're getting into trouble all the time. So anyway, we were thinking about stuff to cook. What? What I do? I'm making a freaking video. That's what I do.
Babies. I met the babies. I'm so sorry. I met the babies.
God, I get in trouble all the time. Anyway, me and my friend were talking about, stuff, cooking and all that. We're trying to think of something kind of different than you have all the time. So TJ found a recipe for baked chickpeas. Now, I don't know anyone that doesn't have an old can of chickpeas in their closet. What's that called? Pantry. Oh, God. I'm losing it. What the hell am I? I'm already there. So you've got a can of chickpeas in your pantry. If you don't, they're really cheap. Okay? So what we're going to do is I'm going to take 2 cans of chickpeas over to the sink. And I am draining them. Did it say to rinse them?
Yes.
Yes, rinse them and rinse them. So, rinsey, rinsey, rinsey. By the way, I have the oven preheated at 450. Well, how am I supposed to get these things dry? Well, I could put a paper towel on the thing. Yeah, I'm smart. Okay. Okay. We rinsed them. Oh my God, I can't talk. We rinsed them, and now we are patting them dry. Because it's supposed to be, they're supposed to be a little bit dry when you put them in the oven. So I think you can see that. Not too hard. Don't want to smash them. But, oh my gosh, I forgot to look at the menu. It's just, cover, just...
Been one of them days.
I know, it's been a hell of a day. Olive oil. That's it. How much olive oil am I? Just enough to coat them. Down there. Is that it? And just enough to coat them. Okay. Extra virgin olive oil. Okay. Now I think they're dry enough. So, just gonna get them off of this towel here. Paper towel. Okay. Now, I guess I'll just drizzle some over here. Just enough to get them all covered in oil, okay? Not a massive amount. I washed my hands, thank you. I know people are concerned about me washing my hands.
God, she constantly washes those hands.
I'm a hand washing fool.
And she's a great cook. She cooks. Oh my God.
Okay.
I want to keep you, Viv. I want to keep you. Want to keep me? Oh my God.
Well, we have a little while. We have a little while before the oven reaches 450. You gotta put that in the oven for, how long did that say? 30 to 40 minutes at 450, okay? And so now we're just playing a waiting game. Did you want to say something?
Oh, me?
Yeah, or do you want to wait till later?
Oh, wait.
Wait till
Yes.
later?
There
Okay.
was something I wanted to say.
You say- Okay, she's gonna wait till later. So, anywho, we will be back.
Oh, jeez.
Yo, I'm back. Oh, so it's time to take them out of the oven. You know what they look like? They look like overgrown popcorn seeds.
Really?
Yeah, whatever. Anyway, let's see. This is a look at them. Now the next step is to put these in a bowl. Okay. So I should turn off the oven. How do I do
Cancel.
that? Cancel?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Scoop them in a bowl. Oh, got a runaway chickpea there.
Looks good. Looks a lot like
Smells
peanuts.
good. Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Between a peanut and popcorn. They'll be a little crunchy. If you don't like them crunchy, I'll just eat those then. Put them closer, that helps. For the love of all that's holy.
There you go.
Dump them for
There
crying out
you
loud.
go.
Here I am like Miss Betty Crocker or something. Okay, anyway. They're in that, oh, that's hot. They're in that bowl. And what you do next is, I think one of these would be fine, right? Mm-hmm. You get your ranch dressing, seasoning. Open that baby up. And shake it. Shake it, baby, shake it. Okay, never mind. And then you just stir it around. And you have a handy dandy little snack that's different. Want to try one?
It's good.
You like it?
Yeah, I do.
Ooh, it smells so good. Mm. Good stuff. Now what we did, we got these little jars, containers, that when these cool, you can put them in the, you could put them in Tupperware or jar, whatever. Oh, it's, you know what this is like? This is
Good.
It's kind of like, if you guys ever had chicken scratch, that's with the oyster crackers, the little bitty crackers, and you put a whole bunch of seasoning and stuff, and dill and olive oil. I can get the recipe if anyone's interested, but it's just the same kind of thing. You bake it in the oven, and then you pack it away. But the thing with the chicken scratch is you got to let it sit for 24 hours. So,
Well, that's like super protein.
oh yeah, this protein. Oh, thanks for the coffee.
Oh, just come on.
Thank you. You're so sweet. Mm. That's good. Anyway. She can't help it. Oh my God.
Vivian, really?
Anyway, guys, that's it for this one, I think, before we get way carried away. So take it easy, take the long way home.